So I have this speaker system, the Sony MHC VO2 model. Actually, it was not working for a very long time. For the past 6 months, it was not working. So I tried cleaning it. I cleaned it thoroughly. I opened it. Now you can see some dust because I opened it and I cleaned it and I connected, but it was still not working. So I kept it open. Uh, but today, what I actually did was I just blow dried with some little heat. I blow dried everything, uh, but still some dust is there. But I let the motherboard heat. I don't know what it will do. I'm not a technician at all. What I'm telling you, what I did, okay? And then what I did was, you see this wire, this one, this connection. This is from the CD drive, okay, from the DVD drive connecting onto the on the board. Okay, so what I did was I removed it. Then I cleaned the contacts and all. Then I connected it thoroughly. I connected it thoroughly, like tightly. I connected. Then what I did was, you can see this one, this one, this one. If you pull it, it will come to this end. You can see it will come to this end. If you pull this, it will come to this end. So I connected it, I pulled to this end, and then I turned on the system. Okay, and the Bluetooth, and then I didn't do any reset and all. Then I connected Bluetooth and it was working perfectly. The issue was the Bluetooth was connecting, but it was not playing any sound. And if we connect any USB drive or anything, it won't read also. Now everything is working, it's reading and all. I think there is a lot of people facing this issue, will be having problem with this wire or in that connection. That's all. There will not be any problem in the motherboard and all. Thank you so much, guys.